For today's recipe, you'll be needing some mint, Cointreu, a Blanco tequila, some grapefruit bitters, good hands, a bar spoon, a mixing glass, and I haven't decided whether I want to use my strainer yet, and a jigger. Let's start by tearing up some mint leaves. We're going to use about 10 leaves. Now we cover with 5 ounces of Blanco tequila. Next we'll take our muddler and we'll press down on our leaves very gently. We just want to bruise them slightly. This will allow the mint oils to infuse into the tequila much quicker. Next we'll add 1.5 ounces of Cointreu. Now let's get 2 large peels of grapefruit. Try not to get any of the pith, the white part of it, because it's very bitter. We'll be adding a few strips of lime zest as well. Give this a gentle stir and allow to infuse for the next 2 hours. Okay, we've waited long enough. Now let's add our lime juice. We have 2 types of juicers. On the left, a hand press, and on the right, a citrus streamer. Either work, it's all a preference. Today we're going to use the press. We'll be using 1.5 ounces of fresh lime juice. I need a larger jigger. Now let's fill our first glass with ice. We're going to do a pour over like in a traditional margarita. The color on this is beautiful. The tequila has taken on some of that mint color along with the grapefruit, giving it this beautiful light green color. Now let's go a little fancier. Let's start by chilling our glass. Put a few ice cubes and pour some water over it. Allow it to sit for about 10 minutes. Another option is to place your glasses in the freezer so then they're perfectly chilled when you pull them out. Now let's add a few ice cubes to our cocktail and give it a quick stir. Now that our glass is chilled, let's add some grapefruit bitters to our margarita. And we're going to give it a quick stir, followed by a double strain into our glass. For this, I'm using a Hawthorne strainer and my fine mesh strainer. This will collect any kind of bits from the mint or the citrus. Now for a taste. Yes, I need a haircut, but damn, that tastes delicious.